spelling ifoni ebhala ukuthi Apple.
Nginibingelele ngiphinde nginamukele kwiNyadana TV umqalo we-channel. Sacela ucofa ibhathini elibhala ukuthi subscribe uzoba ngokuqala ukuthola izindaba kweli channel yakho oyithanda kakhulu iNyakatho The North TV. Namhlanje nginibathele indaba eyishubu kakhulu. Ubaba udokotela useveze imfihlo enzima kabi mayelana nefoni i-iPhone. Njengoba nazi ukuthi i-iPhone mafowethu ithandwa izwe lonke, akekho umuntu ongafisi ukuba nayo. Wonke umuntu uyayifuna i-iPhone. Ngakho-ke useveze imfihlo enzima. Ake niyibonele nina ngokwenu lezi mfihlo engiyishoyo. Ngiyabonga.
Spelling ifoni ebhala ukuthi Apple iphendule uyibuke ngemuva uthi njani. Ngemuva inesithombe se-aphula. Lesa sithombe se-aphula, you must have a reason why kuyi-aphula. Laba bafana babe-2 babelungu base-America, they were not doing well in computer manufacturing and exploration, and then bathatha isinqumo bangayisolanga ngaso, bahamba baya e-southern part of India. Lalela kahleke ngoba nosifunda umqondo. Bahamba baya e-India, bafike bathatha lento. Mebenikwa lento, they were given an apple. Kwathiwa they must bite it once. The apple was red. They must bite it once and took that image bayifake kuwo wonke ama-product abo. Ama-product abo ayothengwa like hot cakes, but they must make sure that any product abayifakele the apple kufuze ukuthi ibe unbearable ngoye-price. Lela apple lihlobene nesithwalo njengokuthi usidisiwe, njengokuthi ufuna ukuze kuba udokotela ozokuthwalisa. Lela apple lihlobene liyi-covenant. Bethanda bengathandi, they cannot afford to remove that apple.